Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about simple interest. So now I will show you how to answer. They want to find about accumulation equal to principal plus interest. About interest, we have P40. This is about interest rate. This is about the time. About the principal, that's about this one. Interest rate, that's about 6% per year. And the time is about 3 years. So we calculate about this one. And we have 47,200. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.